So this is the bottom bracket, and I'm finally gonna do a tool to help remove this to get the tool to fit. But as you can see, this is an M8, normal M8. Here in Sweden we have the pitch 1.25, and even though this is M8, it does not fit. It does not fit, so have to find an M8 with another pitch. And then the plan is to, well, I used to have this tool. Here we have it. But I decided to get, it's been getting a bit worn, so I decided to get a new Shimano we have here. And the idea is to use some washers and tighten this down, so the other way around, like this, but with a correct bolt here. So I'll have to locate it. It's a bit hard to find them actually, but let's see if I can get them. Kommer till Siverts Skruv AB. Ligger i Hägersten. Well, I did find some bolts, as you saw earlier. It's the pitch 1.0. I bought some different lengths. This is the shortest, this is a 50 millimeters, and then I also bought a big one, 80 millimeter, but it's way too big. I should have used my head and bought a shorter one instead. Since you can see it fits pretty well like this. Anyway, now I have to find lots of blank washers, and then I can use this one. So you can see I'm back at the Siverts Skruv. Gonna buy a shorter variant. 20 to 25 millimeters I think will be the best option. So finally I got the right screw. You see here it will match fine, 20 millimeters, and I just paid 20 for it. The last time I paid 48 for 3 screws. So this is how it works. You got the bottom bracket here, and of course you want to remove the threads here. So this is the perfect fit, I think. You got 3 washers here. And as I probably said earlier, a 20 millimeters bolt with a 1.0 pitch M8, 20 millimeter. So then you can attach, otherwise if you use this, of course you will slip and so on, but with this you tighten it down just like this, and you get the pressure, and of course very simple to remove. Now you just pull this with a lever. Yeah, so that's my tip. It's not normal pitch 1.25, it's 1.0 pitch. Good luck. So M8 times 1 times 20 millimeter. It's pretty hard to find them, but Sievert in Sweden has them.